Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and today we are going to study about code splitting. Okay, so it is a very important topic and it is often asked in the interviews as well, like how can you make your React app faster or how can you make your JavaScript faster. So code splitting is a very important topic and it is quite popular, so let's get started. Okay, so suppose you have a application, right? Maybe you have a React application that has suppose 500 files. It has 500 files, right? Now when you come to the application, when you load the application, so suppose the page load is home page, so home.jsx is loaded, right? Now do you want that when you are landing on your application and the home is getting loaded, then as there are 500 other files, so do you want that those 500 files also load? No, because that will slow down your application. So when a user is coming onto your application, he is coming onto the home page, and suppose you have other pages like suppose one is chart, second is dashboards, right? Third is admin panel, something like that. Fourth is maybe settings, right? So when a user is coming on to home.jsx, we don't want that these applications, these pages also load, right? So what we need to do is that we need to split our code and we need to tell our browser that currently we only want to load these pages and these pages will only be loaded when the user request for it and not unnecessarily, right? So that is what we do in code splitting. We only load files that are relevant and that are important and that are getting used by the consumer, not every part of it, right? So if everything is getting loaded at once, so suppose you have a React app that has 500 applications, as we already said, so the bundle size is approximately 10 MB, right? So this is your bundle size, right? Now what we need to do is we need to split it out, and how do we split it? So that is also a question, that how we do code splitting, right? So we can use in JavaScript, we usually write, we usually do something like this: import dashboard from dashboards dot slash or something dashboards, right? Okay, so what we need to do, instead of all this, we do import dot slash dashboard. So this tells the browser that dashboards can be imported asynchronously. And if you ask about React, that how we do in React, so we have something called import lazy comma suspense from React, right? So we are going to import these two, and what we do is, so const dashboard equals to lazy. So what we are doing is we are lazily importing dashboard here. So right, so what we are doing is we are lazily importing dashboard here, right? And then when we want to render it, we simply just do suspense. Here we will be our dashboard, suspense close, and always remember we need to add a fallback for suspense, like till the dashboard is loaded. what we need to do. So we can do anything like maybe you have a loader or something, right? So we can add that. So this is how we do in React, right? And the above is how we do in plain JavaScript or something. So that is the use case for lazy loading, or you can say code splitting, that it reduces our bundle size significantly. And when you will look at your final build, so it would be something like home, it would be maybe 1 MB, and then when it would be dashboard, you will see something like different name, dashboard dash abc 123 dot js 300 kb, or admin I admin 1 ij15s, something like that, whatever the name can be, and it will be done by the your Vite or rollup and webpack. Everything supports lazy loading and code splitting. It would be around 400 kb or anything like that. So this is how we done code splitting. And then there a question comes that does code splitting reduces our bundle size? So the answer is no, it don't reduce your bundle size, it just loads the important stuff so that the load times are faster. We don't make unnecessarily our bundle heavier, and loads only things that are user needed, right? So this is the stuff that is about code splitting and lazy loading. So it is a very important topic, and we are often asked so much about this in interviews, and it is one of the most popular way to increase the performance of your React application. Yeah, so this is all about code splitting, and I hope you like the video. And if you do have any questions, please do ask in the comments, and please keep subscribing, keep liking, and yeah, thank you so much for watching the video.